Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So, do you have a medical issue and you're wondering if there's going to be a problem coming in? Well, there might be. There are medical issues that make people inadmissible. Certain diseases, certain conditions, whether it be physical or mental, that do affect the ability to come in. So, when you have a medical issue, the first thing that has to be done is you have to determine if it makes you inadmissible. Because if you have a medical issue and it doesn't make you inadmissible, then there's no need to worry about it, and you disclose everything and apply and go on your merry way. The problem is a lot of times you don't know if it makes you inadmissible or not, and sometimes the issue is trying to submit everything and then see what happens. And then if they determine it, then you see where you go from there. But the cleaner way, of course, is to see an immigration attorney, do the analyzation, see if there are clear paths to show you are not inadmissible. Now, there's a lot of mental and physical issues that are in the gray area. So if it's in the gray area, and it's determined that it would make you inadmissible, the next step is to look and see if there's a waiver, okay, a medical waiver, which means that even though your condition makes you inadmissible, you would be able to file a waiver of inadmissibility, and if approved, then you would be able to then go and immigrate and get everything approved. So sometimes what I do when it's in the gray area is, we submit everything and then we submit the waiver. And I first make the argument saying that this person really doesn't need a medical waiver because it's doesn't make that person inadmissible. But just in case you, the adjudicator, disagree, here is the medical waiver showing all of the hardship and everything necessary to try to prove the waiver in order to go forward. So, of course, if you do the waiver, it's not just filling out a form. There's a lot of people who think all they do is fill out a form and the waiver is approved, and that's not the case. It is a discretionary decision. So you have to convince the officer to say yes. So once the waiver is submitted, you have all the arguments, and hopefully it'll be approved. Okay.